Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. It's time to do an unboxing of another gaming phone. This is the Red Magic 3S from a company called Nubia. And on paper, this phone looks to be crazy good. It has the latest Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. You get a 6.65 inch 90 hertz display coupled with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. And since this is a gaming centric phone, they have things such as an RGB strip on the back, a cooling fan on the inside, and even front-facing speakers. So I want to quickly show you what comes in the box, and let's go ahead and check out the Red Magic 3S. Let's go ahead and get started. Opening the box, looks like we have our Red Magic 3S right here on the left side. I'm gonna set that to the side for just a second, continue on and see what else comes in the box. On the right side, you have a simple charging adapter. It is USB Type A, and then of course your black and red USB Type A to USB Type C charging cable. Finally, in the left box, a SIM ejection tool and just some quick start guide, some Red Magic stickers, and warranty information, and that's all that comes in the box. Now, I'm also giving away this Red Magic 3S, so if you would like to win it, just go ahead and click the Gleam link below. It's just easier for me to do it through Gleam, so click the link through there. Be sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and be sure you are following on Instagram. Let's grab the gaming phone, take it out of the packaging. Right away, I'm noticing where it says Red Magic 3S. Instead of an S, they use a lightning bolt. So pretty cool branding there. Taking a close look, you'll notice it looks different than any standard smartphone out now. It does have a 48 megapixel camera on the back. Now on the sides, you'll notice quite a few things. It has a haptic trigger right there, a vent for that cooling fan, volume up, volume down, power buttons, and then another one of those haptic triggers. On the left side, you have a switch, I believe to put it into gaming mode, SIM card slot, and you can also have some attachments for this phone. Up at the top, they still do exist, a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, and then down at the bottom, you have a USB Type-C slot for charging. And like I mentioned, on the front, you'll notice a speaker grill right there at the bottom, and a speaker grill up at the top, which is obviously my favorite setup. I love when the sound just comes at you when watching movies or, of course, playing some games. One more thing to mention, it looks like there is some ventilation on this back logo here. And then, of course, you do have a fingerprint scanner along with where this strip will light up. If you look closely, they do have a pre-installed screen protector on the phone. Nice of them to have added that. Now I'm gonna run through the startup process and only talk about anything noteworthy. Let's set up that fingerprint scanner. So it is just about where my pointer finger is going to lie on the phone. So just setting it down, lifting it on up, running through the startup process. Shouldn't take too long. With any physical fingerprint scanner out now, they pretty much work as they should, and they are very quick and snappy. I can add another one if I want to. I won't for now. We are now on the home screen, and first things first, I want to flip this switch because that is how you get into the gaming mode. Now, while you are activated, you can add a bunch of different games. You can choose to block calls if you want to. The Aurora band on the back, it is actually lighting up. I'll get a better shot of that in just a second. But also I'm noticing I can hear the fan very slightly running if I'm completely quiet. I also feel a little bit of air, but you can actually customize if you want that fan on or not, or not. Like in all my unboxings, I want to go ahead and jump into settings very quickly, scroll down, 117 gigs free out of the 128, so 8% is used. Now, let's go ahead and test out that fingerprint scanner on the back, so I will set it down. It does have a subtle vibration, and it will unlock, so again, let's go ahead and set down. Unlocks just about right away. It's actually pretty easy to find for me. It's very narrow, so my finger will pretty much fill out the whole fingerprint scanner every time. You can fine tune that LED strip on the back for multiple things, whether you want to have them for incoming calls, notifications, charging. There's a lot of different ones, and you can customize the LED effects that go on. So again, with RGB and gaming, those two obviously go hand in hand, so you can customize that on this phone. And here's a look at one of the modes with multiple colors going on that back strip. And as you can see, with a darker room, it will be a little bit more prominent, but kind of cool that you could customize it. And yes, you can customize the fan itself. You can have intelligent adjustment or rapid cooling if you just want the maximum fan speed going. It will actually make more noise when you turn on the rapid cooling. So it's kind of up to you if you want that running, or you can customize it back down so it's intelligent based on the actual temperature of the phone. Swiping in from the right side, you have a bunch of different modes. It lets you know what the temperature actually is, the speed the CPU and GPU are running at. So all of those things you expect out of even a gaming PC to let you know. You can change the 4D shock. You can turn it on or off. It says the specific games that it does support. Jumping into the camera app, let's go ahead and hit agree and maybe snap just a couple quick pictures so you can see that shutter speed. Feels very quick. They do have a night mode as well, where you go ahead and take a longer exposure shot. They also do have a pretty mode, which I'm guessing will make your face a lot softer. Yes, they have the pro mode to change all the white balance, ISO, all that good stuff as well. So we'll have to do some more testing with that rear camera. And overall, that's everything I want to talk about with my unboxing and first impressions of the Red Magic 3S. Pretty cool how it has a cooling fan on the inside for the high-end games that you're probably going to want to play. And then, of course, be sure to enter in that giveaway. I will link to it down below. Thanks for supporting the channel. I always appreciate it. I'll try and get more and more giveaways going soon. And as always, guys, thank you very much for watching.